Hey everyone, James here, and in this video I'm going to be giving a no-nonsense review of the LG27UL850 4K monitor which I have behind me. You're probably watching this video because you're currently looking to buy a monitor but you don't know which one to go for because there's so many things to consider. This is the right video to come to. To summarise the whole video before getting into it, the LG27UL850 is a great looking all-rounder for work, gaming and watching videos on YouTube. Now, I'm not a tech tuber who gets given monitors for free to review. I bought this with my own money. This is my monitor that I use every day. And hopefully this is going to be a completely honest review to help you in your buying decision. So let's just get into it. I needed this monitor for work, gaming, video editing and watching cat videos on YouTube. So I wanted something that looked really stylish, had a great IPS display with viewing angles, had lots of ports so I could easily switch between PS5, computer and work laptop. And also it just looks cool, doesn't it? It does look cool. After using this monitor every day for about 2 months, for work it's great because the 27-inch display size offers a great free real estate for multiple windows when you're working on documents. Also has a matte finish so it doesn't like glare at your eyes too much, kind of anti-glare. And also, but perhaps the best thing is it has a USB-C port with power delivery, so you can plug your laptop in and it will provide display to the monitor and it will give some charge back in return. That's really nice, isn't it? For gaming, it outputs at 4K 60 FPS with HDR, so it's great for PS5 and Xbox Series X or whatever console you have. It has a 5 millisecond response time, which is pretty good, but unless you're a COD gamer that wears CDL skin, COD League pajamas to bed, then it doesn't really matter. And for video editing, the widescreen viewing angle is great for seeing all of the timeline. If you want to go for an ultra wide for video editing, that's probably a little bit better, but this is kind of all the best of both worlds because you can't really game on ultra wide that well. And it is 99% sRGB color accurate, so you can reliably color grade your videos to the style you want. And in terms of general looks, it looks really sleek, minimalist. It's got ultra thin bezels, the stand's nice, and on the back there is some white backing which blends really well with the white and black desk theme that I've got going on. Now, I don't really have any complaints about this monitor, but one thing to mention is the speakers are pretty terrible. Let's have a quick test. I think that has a bit of discount on it if you want to get one of these. They're a little bit expensive, but yeah, this is a pretty solid keyboard. So the inbuilt speakers aren't that good, which you can hear just then, but you can use headphones plugged into your PC, or you can get some speakers. I'm currently looking at getting the Kanto U2 speakers, which are white speakers, so it matches the desk quite nicely. I can't think of any other negatives for this monitor, so if you're looking for a monitor for the same needs that I need, or the same reasons that I went for it, then this is a great reasonably priced 4K monitor to go for. If you have any questions about this monitor, leave a comment down below and I will try and reply as quickly as I can. If this no-nonsense video has helped you in your monitor buying decision, then press the like button and I wish you all the best in your monitor buying quest. May the force be with you. Peace.